Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we're talking about Cash App, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I've been getting a lot recently on my other video, and that is, how do I make free money on Cash App? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video. A lot of people have been messaging me how I was able to make thousands of dollars with Cash App. So I'm going to go over those two different plans with you right now. But why would you want to get free money on Cash App? Well, that's pretty easy. There's a lot of people who post on Instagram with stacks of money and they say they do Cash App flips. Whatever the case is, most of the time it's just a scam. So I'm going to show you how I was able to make thousands of dollars in free money with my Cash App. And it's handled here in the Cash App. It's this green and white one right here. Check my video description. I'll try to leave more information there, but I'm going to open up my Cash App now. Okay, so the first and easiest way that I was able to make thousands of dollars with Cash App is by the referral fees. Now, a lot of apps do give you a referral fee if you have a friend or a family member that signs up with your particular code and they complete a few steps. Cash App from time to time does run promotions, so that really depends on where your account is, the age of your account, whatever different promotions they're running right now. So how you do that is you click on your profile icon here on the top right. Once you do that, you're going to look down until you see this little green plus sign. It says invite friends. So you can see in my account, it's a $10 promotion, but over the years that has changed from $5 to $15. Again, it's changed depending on what Cash App's goals are. And to get free money on Cash App, all you need to do is just click on this line. Okay, so here Cash App is asking to access your contacts. I don't really like to do that. So what I do is I click on this gray continue button, not the green one. Okay, so here is what you can see your promotion is with Cash App. So I get $10 if somebody signs up using my Cash App link. And then if they use my link, they get an extra $5. However, the caveat on this is I've had thousands of people sign up with my Cash App, but a lot of them, probably 75% of them, don't complete these steps. So they don't qualify for the bonus and neither do I. So they do need to use your referral code. They also need to link a debit card or a bank account to their Cash App. And they need to send $5 within 14 days of entering the referral code. So that $5 they can send to a family or a friend and then just have it sent back to them. But they do need to complete that $5 transaction. And then all you're going to do is just click on this little upload button here on the top right with a little arrow. And then here you're going to go ahead and click on copy. And now your Cash App referral link is copied to your clipboard. And then you can go ahead and paste it into your Facebook or Reddit or wherever you normally share your referral codes. So over the years, I have seen this slow down quite a bit. There was a time I was getting 4 or 5 referrals a day, which was pretty cool. Now they're pretty far and few between because I think a lot of people have Cash App. But it is still a great way that you can get free money on Cash App, especially if you have some sort of a social media presence. So that's the first way I was able to get free money on Cash App. The second way I was able to get free money on Cash App is this is actually a software or it's an application. So as new users start to sign up, they're not really sure how to use the Cash App. So I did a series of videos on Cash App explaining various functions of this particular software. And I put those videos on YouTube and YouTube was able to pay me thousands of dollars from the people who were watching my Cash App videos. Now, these weren't really interesting videos, but they were describing various functions of the Cash App. So while I did have to take the time and learn how to use Cash App and also film it and edit it, once those videos are out, I've been able to collect free money from the AdSense revenue on my YouTube channel from Cash App. And since this is such a popular app, those videos did quite well, some of them getting hundreds of thousands of views. So I would consider that's free money from my Cash App because if Cash App didn't exist, I wouldn't have those videos that are basically simple tutorials. So to answer the question, how I get free money on Cash App, those are two ways that I was able to collect free money from Cash App over the years. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.